Today's video shows how to identify and delete BMW CAS3 keys. A vehicle can only have 2 smart keys. The lost smart key needs to be deleted before adding a new smart key. Step 1. Identify key. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose BMW. Choose CAS 1 to 4. Choose CAS3 CAS3 Plus. Choose ICP mode. It's always good to click Help. You can find out where the mask ID is. Then select option based on mask ID. My tricks ID is OL15Y, so I can choose the first one. Choose immo. Choose Special Feature. Choose Identify Key. Connect ACDP host and the BAV adapter. Pull in the key that needs to be identified. The key ID is 7E5D46A7. This key is not lost. Please remember this key ID. This key cannot be deleted. Step 2. ICP connection. You can click Help to check connection information. First of all, we need to remove the CAS3 module of the vehicle. CAS3 module is under the steering wheel. We're gonna need CAS3 module, CAS3 copper pillar, CAS3 interface board obedient adapter, 20-pin cable, obdii365 adapter, ACDP host. Install the copper pillar. Align D1 to D4 test points. Vertical press down the CAS3 interface board. Lock the board with copper pillar. As long as the 4 test points are aligned, then all the test points are aligned. Connect the obdii365 adapter and the obedient adapter. Then connect obedient adapter and the CAS3 interface board. Connect ACDP host and the power on. Step 3. Delete key. Follow the previous step to connect ACDP host, obedient adapter and the CAS ECU. Pin detection passed. If the detection fails, please check and clean the test point. Check the vehicle information. Through the key identification step just now, I can confirm that key 2 is still in my hand and the key 1 has been lost, so I should delete key 1. Key delete success. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.